We know that basic research ends up in a lot of therapeutics. There's some estimate that 95% of therapeutics on the market actually originally stemmed from government funded research. And some of the announcements about funding uncertainty, changes in indirect costs. So that's funding from grants that funds infrastructure and sometimes graduate programs at universities. And it's driving conservatism because people don't know exactly what's going to happen. Last Friday, in fact, the budget for 2026, the proposed budget was released, and there were huge reductions in basic research. NSF would go down by 56%, the NIH by 40%. And as you think about that playing out in terms of research funding, it means that a lot of things that would be discovered or developed, it's not going to happen because they're no longer funded. And what we're predicting and what many are predicting is that it's going to slow discovery of new cures just because of that research funding. Another thing people are talking a lot about is the fact that there are budget cuts at the FDA. And so there's some worry that there'll be delays in therapeutic approvals. We've seen a couple things. There was an article in the Wall Street Journal with some anecdotal examples of the FDA missing review dates. But honestly, it's early days to see how this is going to play out in terms of drug approvals. In general, less research funding is going to translate to fewer discoveries in therapeutics. And then there is concern that the FDA approvals may slow up. When you look at the number of approvals that happen per year, I would say it's probably 6 to 9 months before we'll be able to say, yes, this is definitely slower than last year, or here are two examples. So we're a little bit in watch and wait mode in terms of the actual therapeutic approvals.